Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last week's video of vegetarian udon stir fry. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you do. I'm including a link to that video in the description below. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a healthy macaroni salad full of veggies without losing the creamy consistency of the standard macaroni salad. Perfect for summer barbecues or as a side dish. The ingredients that you will need for the macaroni salad are 1 pound of macaroni, bell peppers, a 1/4 cup of Japanese mayo, 1.5 cup of broccoli, 6 sticks of imitation crab, shredded carrots, some sriracha. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to cook the pasta according to the box directions. Mine said to cook it for 6 to 8 minutes. At about the 5-minute mark, I added the raw broccoli into my pasta. We're just gonna let the broccoli cook for 2 more minutes until the pasta is done. So both ingredients will be done at the same time. We want to cook the broccoli to where it's nice and soft, but it's still crunchy. On the side, prepare an ice bath for the cooked pasta and broccoli. We're creating the ice bath to stop the cooking of the pasta and the broccoli since we don't want it to get all mushy. You're gonna turn off the fire and scoop all the cooked pasta and broccoli into the bowl where the ice bath is. While the pasta and the broccoli are cooling in a big bowl, start adding the imitation crab, bell peppers, carrots. Now you're going to add the pasta and the broccoli, which should be a little bit cooled by now. And mix thoroughly. I recommend scooping towards the middle to get an even mixture. Now it's time to add the mayo. In this case, I'm using Japanese mayo, but if you don't have access to that, you can just use regular mayo. And I added some sriracha for a kick and salt and pepper for taste. And again, we're gonna mix until all the mayo and seasonings are well incorporated into the veggies. As you can see, this macaroni salad is very colorful, full of veggies, and you get to taste different textures. I originally made this macaroni salad with kale and I posted it on Instagram. Here's a picture of that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I highly recommend that you do. I post daily photos of my meals, lunch, breakfast, or dinners. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!